Welcome back to Seagull International Weekly Live Session, where we discuss exciting recruitment opportunities and overseas placement. Hi, my name is Jyoti Das Thakkar, AGM at Seagull International, and I'm thrilled to be joined by Mr. Lalit Moria, our General Manager. But before we dive into today's session, let's take a moment to revisit Seagull's incredible success stories. For last 40 years, Seagull has been a trusted name in overseas recruitment industry, the biggest workforce provider. We are also an IOSA certified, approved by Human Resource. We have our branches in Mumbai as well as in other parts of India. We also have our international presence, which we look after on the second slides. So these are the branches we have in across globe, which is in Kochi, New Delhi, Baroda, Chennai, Vizag, Kolkata, UK. We also have our international presence in Sri Lanka, Dubai, Kuwait, Nepal, Qatar, Sweden, Lithuania, and UK. We have our own website, which is a job portal for job seekers, which is seagalljobsforyou.com. You can simply scan the QR code on your screen and you can apply for any job you saw online. We also have a presence on Facebook. So the process is similar. You have to scan the QR code on your screen and you can connect with us on Facebook. We also are on other social media pages, which we will see, like it's in Telegram, Instagram, and the process is similar for every job portals. Seagull Staffing Group is our exclusive domestic page where we keep posting about the recruitment drive we have for the domestic candidate who are interested to work in Pan India. This is the right platform for you. Let's dive into our first requirement, which is for Abu Dhabi. This will be a free requirement. We have in this online interview. We are looking for purchase officer, cold cutting, crane mechanics, and crane electricians. Candidate who are interested can submit their profile at resume1 at the Next, we have for Oman and Saudi Arabia's manufacturing company. This will be a virtual interview. We are hiring for QA/QC manager, operation manager, procurement manager, planning engineer, fabrication shop engineers, mechanical supervisor. Interested candidate can read out the basic job description we have mentioned on the screen. If it is related to your current job role, you can submit your profile at seagalkochi at gmail.com. Next is for Ultrad Abu Dhabi. This will be for their oil and gas long term and short term project. Uh, this will be in Baroda, and we appreciate if candidates walk in directly for the interview. The interview venue is on your screen. We're having this interview on 26th December. We are hiring for welders, so welder, SMAW, ARC, welder, STR, welding piping and welding foreman. Interested candidate can submit their profile at seagalbaroda at seagalgroup.com. A similar position for Ultra, and this is open for Kolkata on 24th December. The positions is similar. Interested candidate in Kolkata can submit their profile at seagalkolkatacv at gmail.com. Next is for NBTC Abu Dhabi for their oil and gas construction project. This will be a client interview on 24th December at our Seagull Chennai office. We are hiring for senior engineers mechanical. We are also hiring for senior engineer piping, senior quantity surveyor SMAP. We are also hiring for some officers HSC, controller, document controller, material controller, coordinator, PTW, test package, AutoCAD, broadband. These are few positions which I have read. Rest position you can see online. We are looking for candidate who are degree in engineering, and inspectors and supervisor must have GCC experience in oil and gas industry. You can submit your profile at seagalchennai.info at gmail.com. Similar positions, and we have the interview at our office in Mumbai on 26th December. Interested candidate can either walk into our head office or you can submit your profile at resume1 at the rate seagulhr.com. Similar positions, we also have this in Kochi. So, interested candidate in Kochi, you can reach out to seagullkochi at the rate gmail.com, or else you can walk into our branch office in Kochi. Next is for Oman. This will be an online interview. We This is again a free requirement. We are hiring for inventor, analyst, and PTW holders. We are having a huge requirement for this. Interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullch.oman at the gmail.com. Next is for Qatar for their oil and gas construction project. We're having this interview at Kochi at 27th and 28th December. We are hiring for welder CS and SS TIG SMW. Interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullkochi at the gmail.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi. This will be an online interview. We are hiring for QC engineer civil. We are looking for BE civil candidates. This will be a long term or permanent employment. Details of salary is on your screen. If you're interested, you can submit your profile at resume1 at the rate seagullhr.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi. This will be a free requirement for an oil and gas project. This will be an equipment division. So we are hiring for maintenance supervisor, mechanical crane, maintenance supervisor, electrical crane. We are also hiring for crane mechanics into mechanical and electrical both positions, tire man, welder, heavy equipment. And the positions along with the salary description is on your screen. If you're interested, you can submit your profile at resume1 at the rate seagullhr.com. Next is for Oman for a software developer. This will be for a leading contracting company into oil and gas. This will be a virtual interview and will be a free requirement. A short description is on your screen. Interested candidate can submit their profile at seagullkochi at the rate gmail.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi and Dubai Airport project. This will be a free requirement, and we're having the client interview shortly. We are hiring for security system, which is supervisor, team leader, technician, assistant technicians. We are also hiring for electromechanicals, BHS, which is baggage handling systems. So these are the positions we are hiring for. If you're interested and you have worked experience, you can submit your profile at resume1 at the rate seagullhr.com. Next is a similar position, similar company, but this is open for Delhi also. Interested candidates in Delhi, they can submit their profile at Seagull Delhi 1 at the rate gmail.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi for a mid-sized EPC contracting company for an oil and gas offshore onshore project. This will be a virtual interview. We are hiring for head of ENI, head of mechanic, corporate HSC manager. Candidate who are interested for similar positions, they can submit their profile at seagullchennai.info at the rate gmail.com. Similar positions, and it is open for Kochi also. Candidate who are interested in Kochi, they can submit their profile at seagullkochi at the rate gmail.com. Next is for Gulfa. This will be a free requirement. We're having this interview on 22nd in Kochi. We are hiring for quality manager, QC inspector welding, painting and coating, QC inspector civil and ENI. We are also hiring for HSC engineer, road safety officer, safety officers. These are the positions we are hiring. If you are interested, you can submit your profile at seagullkochi at the rate gmail.com. Similar positions, if you are in Chennai, you can submit your profile at seagullchennai.info at the rate gmail.com. Next is for Havelock Bharan. This will be a long-term requirement, free requirement. We have in this interview on 26 December at Jalandhar. The detailed address is on your screen. We are hiring for furniture carpenter, carving carpenter, polisher, machine operator, CNC operator, programmer. These are few positions along with the description on your screen. If you have similar experience, you can submit your profile at Seagull Bharan 2025 at the rate gmail.com. Next is for Qatar. This will again a free requirement. We're having this interview on 28th December at Punjab. The detailed address is on your screen. We are hiring for scaffolder, foreman, supervisor, inspector. If you are interested for this position, you can submit your resume at resume1 at the seagulhr.com. Similar positions you can apply at. This is the same positions, but we having an interview on 3rd January at Odisha, which is in Korda. And if you are near to that, you can walk into the address directly, or else you can submit your profile at resume1 at the seagulhr.com. Next is for Qatar. This will be on 29th December at Amritsar. Similar positions. You can directly walk into the interview venue. Similar positions, it's in Batala on 30th December, and you can walk into the address directly. Next is for Abu Dhabi. We're having this interview on 18th and 19th December in Ichapur and Vizag. We are hiring for welder SAW. We are also hiring for some welder piping SMAW, GTW, welding foreman. Candidate who are interested, they can submit their profile at Seagull Vizag CVs at the rate gmail.com, or else you can walk into the interview venue directly. Next is for Saudi Arabia. This will be a free requirement long-term project. We're having this interview soon, but we have started the shortlisting. We are hiring for foreman, field production, and QA. We are also hiring for heat treatment operator, freezing operator, packing operator, road helper. Interested candidate can submit their profile at Seagull KSA 2025 at the rate gmail.com. Next is for Abu Dhabi. This will be for a 29th December interview. It's in Kochi. We are hiring for rope access level 1. We are also hiring for NDT technician rope access level 1 and 2. Interested candidate can walk into our Kochi office directly, or you can submit your resume at seagullkochi at the rate gmail.com. That's it from my side. We have additional requirement which Mr. Lalit will update you.
Hi friends, good afternoon, namaste. Okay, the requirements which we have, this is for Dubai, UAE, and we have client interview very soon in Bombay, Baroda, Kolkata. These three locations we are conducting this interview, and we are looking for duct fitter, duct fabricators, pipe fitters with the chilled pipeline experience, pipe fitter cum plumber who having the chilled water pipeline experience, and approximately 500 to 600 requirements are available. If anyone interested, please visit our offices. Shortlisting is in process. Tentative by first week of January, we are conducting these interviews. Then, friends, we have another requirement, and we have next week this client virtual interview. We need pipe fabricators, full TIG welder SS, and TIG and arc multi welder SS. This is also use quantity. Shortlisting is in process. Next week, we have this virtual interview. If anyone interested, please visit our Bombay office or any of the branches along with your CV, and we will shortlist your CV. Then after we will do next round of interview. And in this company is a free food, accommodation, and transport they will give, plus salary for fabricator approximately 2,000 dirham. Full TIG welder 2000 to 2500 dirham, and multi welder SS is something around 3000 dirham to 3500 dirham. Then, friends, we have a requirement for hydrojetter. Salary range of 1,200 to 1,600 Saudi Riyal. This is again virtual interview. If anyone interested, they can report to our Bombay or Delhi office. This is for two company. One is the ICMS, other is the Abdullah Al Barak company. And this will be a long-term project. Apart from the salary, company offers free food, accommodation, and transport. If anyone interested, please visit our Bombay and Delhi office. Then, friends, we have a requirement for Abu Dhabi. This is again a long-term project and virtual interview. We are looking for civil foreman, civil sergeant with 3 to 5 years of Gulf experience. Then we are looking for mobile concrete pump operator, mobile concrete pump operator with UE license, heavy engine mechanic, security guard, and office boy. Shortlisting is in process. If you are interested, please forward your CV. Please forward your CV. We will shortlist your profile and we'll proceed next round of interview. Then we have Cyprus requirement and shortlisting, and the client shortlisting will be on 22nd and 23rd, and it will be a free recruitment. We are looking for CNC laser cutting machine operator, bending machine operator, stainless steel metal worker with welders, and the technician for catering equipment. Salary you can see, apart from the salary, free food, accommodation, and transport you will get. And if anyone interested, they can visit to our office, Bombay office, on 22nd and 23rd December. Then we have requirement for Saudi Arabia. This will be again virtual interview. We are looking for electrical engineer, instrument tube fitter, loop test technicians, and this is for the Saudi long-term project. Shortlisting is in process. If anyone interested, please forward their resume on given email ID. We will shortlist your profile and we'll proceed next round of interview. Friend, this is for Ahelia switchgear requirement, and we have this client interview very soon in Chennai. We are looking for project manager, project design engineer, production maintenance engineer, site maintenance engineer, testing and commissioning engineers, erection engineers. This is basically a switchgear manufacturing company, and very soon we have client interview in Chennai. If anyone interested, please visit our Chennai office or forward your resume. We will shortlist your profile and we'll call you for the final round of interview. Then, friends, we have another interview. It is for UAE and long-term project, and we have client interview at Chennai on 22nd and 23rd December. We are looking for here laying foreman, a sulfat lab supervisors, scaleman, timekeeper, paver operator, steel roller operator, rackman, gageman, milling gageman, and helper. Ashrafat Helper. Basically, this is a road construction company, and we need all the manpower for the road construction project. If anyone are interested, they can go to attend this interview at our Chennai location on 22nd. This company offers very good salary plus free food, accommodation, and transport. You will get it. We have the requirement for Abu Dhabi. It's for again long-term project. We have client interview in Bombay, Baroda, Vizag, Kolkata. In this company, we are looking for the people for onshore project as well as offshore project, and for their modular building project. For onshore, we are looking for fabricator, Tiginag welder, mason, certain carpenters, steel fixers, and helper. For some of the requirement for offshore, we are looking for gas cutter, grinder, then again civil carpenter, masons, and steel fixers and helpers. For their modular building project, we are looking for painters, plumber, finishing carpenter, electricians, fabricators, and the welders. All this will be a client interview by first week of January. This is for a very reputed company in Abu Dhabi, and all the candidates will be mobilized within 10 days time after the selection. Company offers good salary plus free food, accommodation, transport. You will get it, and daily overtime will be there. For offshore project, there will be additional 400 dirham allowances you will get apart from yearly vacations. So if anyone interested, they can come to our Bombay office or our branches, submit your profile. Once the interview date confirmed, our team will call you for the interview. Okay, Mr. Rajesh Swadim, any vacancy for HSC positions? Yes, Mr. Rajeshwaram, we have Rajeshwar Reddy. We have requirement for HSC. We need please forward your resume. We have requirement for Saudi, Qatar, UAE, lot of oil and gas companies. Abdul Rahman, QA, chemist job available. We have requirement for QA/QC chemist, but it's for the oil and gas field, not other field. Better you forward your CV. Our consultant will review your profile. If we found suitable, definitely we will call you for the interview. Hiren, Mr. Hiren, for PTW, we have many requirements for Qatar. Please forward your CV or personally visit our Bombay Baroda office. Mr. Sikhar Nirwan, you are the civil engineer. Mr. Sikhar, recently we got some requirement for civil, but you should have at least 5 years of Gulf experience and high-rise building construction. If you have such experience, please forward your FCV. We have few requirement in UAE location. Mohammed Sarif, you are the electrical QA/QC instrumentation over 15 years of experience. Mr. Mohammed, we have requirement for Saudi Arabia. We are looking for QA/QC electrical and instrument. If you have Aramco approval, that's very good. Better you forward your CV. We have few opening for QA/QC. Mr. Prakash, yes, we have requirement for civil supervisor, but at least minimum 5 to 10 years of Gulf experience required, especially in UAE, because this requirement for UAE. वॉल पेंट वैकेंसी, यस वी हैव रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर वॉल पेंटिंग. आप ऑफिस में आइए, आपका सीवी लेके मिस्टर पंकज निषाद. ओके, ओवर टू यू मिस ज्योति.
A big thank you to Mr. Lalit for taking us through this journey and helping us conducting this session a very smooth. For those who would like to visit us in person, our Mumbai headquarter address is now on your screen, along with the email address and contact details where you can reach out to us directly. Our branches is in Kochi, Chennai, Baroda, Delhi, Vizag and Kolkata. Candidate who saw our posters and all, if you want to apply for any of the positions, you can simply scan the QR code on your screen and apply on the dream job. We will update you once your profiles are connected with us, shortlisted, and everything on this platform. Thank you all viewers for joining us today and helping us conducting this session a success. For you who would like to visit us in person and contact details on our website, just apply now button located at the right top right corner where you can apply resume based on our requirement. At Seagull, we take a pride in having 80 to 90% of the candidate approaches directly without any middle person. Remember, we hold these sessions every Friday at 3 p.m. We also conducted these sessions in the regional languages. So stay tuned for more update. Thank you once again and see you all next week.